Welcome back to Design Bundle's YouTube channel. If you guys are new here, my name is Crystal. Today I'm going to show you guys how to sublimate a puzzle. So I thought this would be so cute for somebody that may be down under the weather, feeling bad, needs a little pick-me-up. So I thought this would be a super cute gift. Now remember, you could definitely do these with somebody's photo on them. You could do these for Christmas gifts, Easter, lots of different ideas. So for today, I'm doing mine kind of like an inspiration. So I thought it was super cute. It says, "Be a flamingo in a flock of pigeons." So what I did was I actually took this design and I went ahead and added just a pink like ombre background to it, just so that this wasn't just white. So when we pressed it, I would have a little bit of a pink background behind the design. So once we press this, remember it's gonna get more vibrant. So these puzzle pieces here, you guys can find at most sublimation blank dealers. They're on Amazon, lots of different places. We'll definitely link some down below for you guys. This is super easy. You're going to take it out of the wrapper. You can save your wrapper so you can slide it right back inside. You could also create a really fun box. We've got tons of easy DIY boxes here on designbundles.net. I'll link some below for you guys. That way you guys could put this inside of a box, maybe put this same design on the front of it. Would be super cute. Lots of different ideas. Now this comes with a little board on the back that's going to help you not only flip it over but keep it nice and straight while you're working with it. So what we need to do is we've got our design here. You want to make sure we are free of any sort of lint or debris. So you can definitely rub this with your lint-free cloth. And then what I need to do is I'm going to flip it upside down at first. We're going to do it, but we're actually pressing it in the other way. So right now I'm just lining everything up so I could get my tape down. So I think I'm happy with this. And now we're just going to go ahead and take that tape, just like so. I'm going to leave my backer on here. I definitely think you could just remove this backer and press from this side. But to me, I'm just going to go ahead and leave that backer just to help me obviously move it. I think that's what we do need to do, to be honest. I've only done these a couple of times, and that's just kind of what I've done. Because if not, you're going to obviously have a bunch of puzzle pieces you have to pick up off of your press. So once you're happy with this, you just want to go ahead and take yourself some heat tape. This is just going to help hold it down so we can get it over to the press without dropping anything. I'm just going to get a couple pieces like that. So what we're going to do is we're actually going to flip it back in this direction and we're going to take it over to the press. Today I'm using a smaller craft press. This one is from Stalls. This is a really cute pink one. You could definitely use your Cricut Easy Press or any of your bigger presses. We'll have this one linked down below for you guys if you guys are wanting to find it a lot easier. So we are going to take our design like so. We're going to flip it with our paper on top. Now I want to make sure I've got this completely under here. So something like this size project is perfect for these craft presses. So I'm going to go ahead and place this one on top. Once again, you can definitely do this with your Cricut Easy Press, 400 degrees for 60 seconds. I have this at 400 degrees for 60 seconds as well. So now we are ready to press it. One thing I forgot to do, and I always stress this, is you should always test this before you turn your heat press on. Always adjust your pressure first, because what's going to happen is we could possibly get ghosting from this, but we want to make sure, so I need to bring this down a little bit more. So like I said, always put your substrate in before you turn the heat on. It just makes it easier. So I think this is good. We're going to press because we want that nice firm pressure. So definitely before you turn on your heat press, get your substrate in there and adjust that pressure. So once your heat is on and you go to press, it's going to be absolutely perfect every single time. We are ready to go. If you guys ever see that steam there, that is the sublimation in process happening. So that's those gases, creating its magic to make this sublimation happen. All right, so we're going to remove our parchment paper. And we are going to very carefully remove. I've got my gloves on here because this is hot. So be careful and peel this back. I'm going to go ahead and take this over to the craft table. But as you guys can see, once again, it's super adorable. I'm going to remove it from its backing. And as you guys can see, it is a real legit puzzle. You can take these pieces apart and definitely put it all back together. Once again, I would definitely create a box for this, a handmade box, or you can even purchase a handmade box. Create for example, like take a tumbler like this. So maybe put a super cute design on your tumbler and then put all of the puzzle pieces right inside of the tumbler. That would be really cute for an Easter gift, Mother's Day gift. You can make a little combo thing going on there. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please hit the like button down below and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one.